It might look simple, but this mechanism is a real test of skill for mechanical designers. What you are looking at is a planetary bevel gear system. Notice that the smaller gear, the satellite, doesn't just spin on a fixed axis. It performs a dual movement, orbiting the stationary central gear while simultaneously rotating around its own axis, driven by a carrier. The magic here is purely geometric. For this kinematic simulation to flow perfectly without collisions, the pitch cone apices of all the gears must intersect at a single exact point in space. Even a millimeter of deviation in the assembly and the system locks up. Setting up these assembly mates and the exact gear ratio is an excellent practical exercise. It is exactly this principle that allows automotive differentials and complex robotic joints to function. What about you? Which software would you use to 3D model and simulate this assembly today? Let me know in the comments.